Welcome to another uh, video. Last time I created a video for installing Python and robot framework. This time, um, since that installation of Python was in a really bad path, it caused a lot of problems. So this time we're going to install from python.org. Let's go to the python.org site and locate the download of Python. We download just the last version, that is the 3.13.2, and then we click open file. Here we have the installer. We are going to make a customized installation. We select to especially the path location is the important setting. Okay, click next, and here I'm selecting for all the users. This is my preference, personal preference. The important thing is to edit this path location to be the simplest and maybe the short path for the Python. Okay, click install, and now we just wait. Note that I speed up this recording here. It will take around 9 minutes, but this, so it will extract Python and then compile the standard library. It is important to speed up the running of Python scripts, and we still waiting. And there it is. There are some options to change the size of the maximum size for arguments, but we don't need to change that. So we just continue and close the dialog. Next, we are going to start a new command line to test the Python installation. Just type search and send cmd, and we open the command line, command prompt, command window. There are many names for this. Here we are in the prompt, and we type python dash version. There we have. We also see the package Python package installer, pip, and to see that it only has itself installed, and this is a clean installation of Python. And we can open the iterative Python, just type in Python and we go for the prompt. Important to see that we are running Python for the 64-bit compiler, and we have the name of the system is Win32. This is the way to identify our Python installation. We need to exit the prompt just with exit, and that's it.